Alright guys, we're 84 here.
74, we are 10-8.
47th Street. They have a flooding condition in the basement, 8 to 10 feet of water. TSU just got here. They know unknown undermining at this time. They have SOC logistics, SOC compressor coming in.
What's your location? We're at 102 in second. We got a run for you before you head down the ladder 2. It's going to be signal from box 1306, address 60 East 106.
Engine 54 is here to assist the dewatering and TAC 1. Ladder 2 called it in.
Simple.
And Battalion 9 is here.
The 9, confirm and input. Now, class 3, box 1372, address 511 West 114th Street, forward and
van right on the hydrant here.
Now, class 2, box 1372, address 511 West 114th Street, forward and Hi now. Yeah, Brian, give an update. We have kind of gas on scene, still awaiting EEP. I spoke with them and they gave us a 20-minute ETA. Conditions remain unchanged, and the ordering unit is 84. 10-4. Contact gas is on scene. Waiting to ED. We spoke to them. They said they're 20 minutes out, and ED watering unit is 1084. 10-4 Battalion 9. 19, 2009. Call Battalion 1. Crash the back 3715 on NASA. People with the shoot, turn left on left. Crash the back 3715 on NASA. People with the shoot, turn left on left.
Alright guys, they're trying to check surrounding buildings. A lot of water coming out. They sent the guy from TAC 1 inside. Alright guys, they had to move some rigs around so they can get TSU in front of the building. Still waiting on dewatering unit. DEP is on scene. I believe the pump is still in the back here. They're coming in now, dewatering.
Just let me know. Hey, Lou. I'm gonna go and see how quick. Alright. You need a scuba unit? What else you need? What's up, Devin? You like refuel? You like refuel? Solid grade and do more good.
I got sock compressors on scene assisting TSU. Dewatering unit should be here very shortly.
We just came back from box 0567. Retransmitted. Did you get another call on that? Yeah, 10 for late text into 911. 10-4. Texas Battalion 9. Chief, just be advised they have about maybe 2-3 inches of water in an isolated area in the basement of the boiler room. It's going to be in 527's 1-2 corner. You think that's new or that was there before? We just didn't see it. Yeah, that was there before. Everything is connected to the that air shaft with the grating outside. That's all new. All right, that's one.
Alright guys, TSU is setting up the hoses into the basement. Still waiting on the dewatering unit, should be here soon.
Gotta get to the time.
Alright guys, dewatering unit is coming from Sock Island, but heavy traffic.
Thank you.
Hey guys, dewatering units here, they're backing in. Alright guys, they're starting to dewater. Dewatering unit just got here. They were stuck in heavy traffic. As you know, it's a box truck, it's not a fire truck, so. Alright guys, in here in the dewatering unit, they have more of the Stanley units, more hose, boots, and stuff like that. And I believe some hose, some rolls of hose.
Battalion 1-1 check. 1-1 bus 1369. We're gonna go with 1 and 2, 1033 code 1. Dissipated. Thursday 1. 1369, 33 1 on 1369, orders of the 1-1 battalion. 2004 map, what?
They're gonna break up the hose because it's a little too long, so they just cut 2 lengths off. And they're gonna get this other Stanley unit. Usually there's 3. 1 might be out of service. probably gonna do so they could do another one. That's why.
Delta about 2813, there's a 241 Sherman Avenue. That's a Newsom to West 37th Street, fire on the third floor. Delta about 2813, there's a 241 Sherman Avenue. Newsom to West 207th Street for fire on the third floor. Airplane rider 466. Road 559. Frequency responding to box 18. 10-4. 1813. 10-4. Grand Client 10-5. 10-5, main 7. What's the name? Nation 43 to Marion. Nation 43. Call you frequency responding to box 1813. 10-4, Grand Client 10-13.
Like I said, it had like 8 to 10 feet of water inside the basement. I think it was like 4 inches by the boiler.
Replacing 75 and 59, replacing 46. 13, that's for 208 and then 45.
Alright guys, as you can see, they got 2 hose lines in there. One's dewatering at this time. They're working on the second one. I don't know if they're going to do a third one. Alright guys, DEP is down here trying to shut this valve. They shut the one on 10th Avenue, guys shut this one on 11th Avenue. They open up the hydrant so they know when they shut it down. As you can imagine, crud and stuff gets in there, so they have to bang it in to get it shut down. Alright guys, I'm going to be taking up from here shortly. It's very cold. They're still in the process of removing water. Alright guys, a little bit longer and they'll be able to shut down the power to the building. They couldn't do that due to the electrical panel. It was in the area of the water, so shortly they'll be able to shut off the power, and then DEP is going to move in to the front of the building. I'm going to go 10-8 here. Dewatering operations are starting to conclude. I'll be 10-8. Alright guys. Be advised, going 10-8 here. We still got 2 pumps going. DEP's probably gonna have to dig up the street here. Going 10-8.